Yeah. Oh, okay. What is up, guys? Steven just texted me. He's here. Here he is. Steven Toeback. Fine. Alright, guys, well, we're going to good old Gary's pond, right?
Good old Gary's pond, and maybe sneak in the one next to it.
Yeah, as you guys saw on my biggest bass of his life video, that kid, he's 13, his name's Braden, caught like a 7-pounder out of the secret pond back there. Got the waterproof vest with the GoPro underneath of it. Say hi to the video, Mom.
Huh?
Say hi to the video. Alright, guys, well, Steven's here to pick me up. He's gonna take me there today. Old Bessie's staying home. Oh my. I got it, boy.
Thank
Y'all mulching? Yeah, yesterday. Alright. Well, it's raining a little bit. And it's real cloudy outside, so hopefully these bass will be hitting like topwater, ploppers, frogs, the usual, whatever. But let's get to going. Yeah. Alright, let's finesse out of here. Oh, alright guys. Well, we had a quick change of plans. We came to the good old ponds neighborhood over here, where we always fish at. But hopefully we catch a bunch. This place hasn't been as good as it's used to be. But hopefully today we'll change that, but I'll see you guys back on the GoPro. Oh well. I had one. Damn it. Right on target. Look at all those bubbles coming out. Got him. Got him. It's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Black and blue jig. Yep. Biggest one of the day. Boom. Oh yeah. Definitely biggest one of the day. I saw him bite it. What?
Biggest one at this pond.
Huh?
Biggest one at this pond.
Nah, that's the biggest one of the day. He's 2. All right, let's get him back.
That's just that.
Oh, there he goes. A boom! Gosh. Doubled up. Should have brought my camera down here.
There we go.
Look at that. All right, let's put them back in. They like this grass. Oh! Oh, mine's still there. There he goes. I got water on the lens. Steven caught a freaking other one. Oh my gosh. A little bit better. Boom. There we go. Bite's turning on.
Building?
Yeah, just look at it.
There's one. Ooh. There's a good one. It's a big one too. Oh, off the waterfall, guys. Oh, there he goes. Oh boy. No, 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 no. Nope, 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 nope. Oh! Don't you do it, don't you do it. Dude, I lost him up here. I lost him up here. All right, guys, I came to this neighborhood pond. My buddy here, Ethan, just caught his first fish of the day on a chartreuse crankbait square bill. I caught one off of the waterfall right there on a jig, and then it escaped into the little pool above. Need help? Ooh.
Yeah, like that.
All right, guys, Ethan, first fish of the day for him. Going to put her back. Oh, nice and easy. Hey, way to go, dude. Boom. Wow. Ethan just caught another fish. It's pretty good. Throw her in. What? Throw her in. Oh, there she goes. All right, guys. Just caught one here. Black and blue jig. Oh boy. I didn't even know that I had one. My GoPro died. And I was talking to Ethan, and my line started to pull out. And this little boy was on the other end.
Looks like you got him right in the eye.
No, I got him. It went through the outside, back into the inside, and then out again. There we go. Oh!
Spike you?
Oh yeah.
That's a small guy.
1 pounder.
Yeah. Let's get a release.
Let him back in here. Oh, he splashed me. Sweet. There we go. All right, guys. Ethan, that's your second fish?
Yeah.
Second fish of the day. I've caught 2 also.
Small guy.
On the chartreuse crankbait. He's skinny.
Yeah, it is.
Get the release on him.
It's kind of a bad spot. Go down a little further.
Boom!
There we go.
Sweet. Ethan caught another one. Oh my gosh. On the chartreuse crankbait. Maybe I shouldn't have gone down there. A little better?
Yeah.
Definitely not as skinny.
Nah. Probably the same length though. Look at these 2 spots.
There we go.
Releasing this guy. Oh no!
There he goes.
Word.
Way to go, dude. Alright guys. I'm done for the day. I gotta leave, but pretty good start of the day. I went with Steven to a couple private ponds. Didn't catch much. Went to a neighborhood pond, caught a few on a frog. Then I met up with my friend here, Ethan, and his neighborhood. I caught 2, and how many did you catch? 4. 4?
Yeah.
He was using a chartreuse crankbait, I was using a black and blue jig, but pretty good day fishing. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.